dangerous bend. Just have to wait for this car to pass. Cute. Both of them very cute. Ahead. Roundabout. Clear. Second exit. Second exit. And yeah, this lane as well. Nice. M65 East, I think. Nice. M65. Yes, we done it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I really appreciate. So the shop is this one, but let's see where we're gonna park. That one is there. That one is turning left. If I park here, it's downhill, it's no good. I need to park in front of this one, or in front of here actually. Yeah. Nice shop. Oh, I park here, but people will not be able to take the turn if I park here. It's no good where I park, but this is the safest I can park. The safest. I know it's not proper to park here, but it's nothing I can do. If someone has issues, I will move the lorry. I will never park in a T-junction, it's just an exception, so please understand. It will be difficult with the pallet. Well, it's not big pallet anyway, but I think class 2 can take this turn here easily. Class 1 here, less problem. There's nowhere else to go in the back anyway, so maybe they want the pallet inside, I don't know. It's so small pallet, but it's so heavy. So I'll put in this side. So it will be a lot easier when I go out. not going anywhere. Okay. Then I take easily turn and that's it. The
Job
biggest
done.
vehicles you can see on the road. Road sweeper. Safe, safe. Let's see where they want the pallet. I don't know if there's any ramp here. There's a ramp here, but it's this car. Ah, they want in the garage. Okay. So you want this pallet there inside? No problem. I wonder if I got enough space just to have a look here. Ah, it's okay. I was afraid that it's gonna be too deep. Lovely, lovely.
Stick it right at the back for us.
On the back.
Right, yeah.
There,
you can.
yeah.
Thank you.
No problem. Nice. Well, you want me to take that pump truck out of there? And
No,
then...
no, it's fine, is that? Yeah, just push it to the back, it'll be okay. Thank you.
Here, yeah? Okay. I'll give you enough space to take this off.
Yeah. We don't need that till tonight anyway.
Yeah?
We only need that at the end of the day.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's fine, is that?
No problem.
Thank you.
That's for you.
Need me to sign
you.
the front one?
Yes, please. Here, if you need.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you so much. I wish you all the best.
Yes, and you.
See you. Take care. Nice. Nice, nice. Lovely. Nice and easy. Well done, Rob. I will still do my class 1, but I want a job here. Definitely. I think that is the next one. I think so. But I will just stick the pump truck here and we change after. So Friday, you know, Friday usually you get loads of jobs and then you need to enjoy life as well. So